titanium bangle here. I'm going to form it on this mandrel. Stop. Little jiggly. Anyway. Using charcoal over here. That's what I have. I'm getting short heats, but just keep on bending it around. This is 9 inches long in the transition. Okay, I got there, the bend right there. 90 degrees. Now I'll start to roll. You gotta watch the roll. Okay. Be careful with it. So push it in and then start to roll. And that's about all I can do right now. I can feel it get a little stiff. But you'll see it's not much of a roll yet. It just lifts it up. And now I've got a little cold shut there. I knew that. Titanium can conceal a lot of that. But whether or not you can roll that scroll or not is another story. Now I can start it inside the fire too, but you don't want to come up over it or it'll corkscrew. But yeah, that's, let's see what you got started. A little more heat, and yeah, you really gotta watch that. So make sure you put that and you go 90 and don't reverse your direction. And then I kind of put a little twerk with my wrist, and you see it's starting to lift a little bit this way, but don't ever change directions. If you do, you'll find out why not. It's like bending wire back and forth. You get a double kink or something, it's going to break. You keep doing that, especially with a roll. And you push it in too. And that's, yep, there he goes. That's a cold shut, did that. But anyway, I'll get that off and brush it. I'll have to just dull that end is what I'll do with that. But yeah, it fractured because of the cold shut. You see the, but that's supposed to be a horse. I'll clean it up a little bit. Alright, that's me just wire brushing it, and we'll see if Paul's got something else. I don't mess with finishing titanium too much. He's done a little bit. That's my son. But I'll take it in there and see if he's got anything to do with it. It's a titanium bangle.